Welcome to WCrypto.
Hello, my friends. Welcome back to WCrypto. Today, I don't have the best news like usual. We are looking at the higher time frames, especially on the one-day chart, and the wave trend indicator's green dot from February 10th just got smashed by a fresh red dot today. Adding to that, the Cipher A indicator is flashing a red diamond. According to its original description, red diamonds are trend strength indicators that signal a weakening trend, especially when combined with the EMA ribbons. Right now, those ribbons are tightening, which could be an early warning. The 21 EMA is almost kissing the 50 EMA, just about to cross. This didn't happen at all in the 2021 cycle's run-up, but it did in the 2017 cycle. Also around March. If we check Bitcoin's historical monthly returns from that era, March 2017 was actually red, closing at minus 9.05%. But February 2017 was massively green, up 23.07%. And right after that, we got one of Bitcoin's biggest runs in history, 1,338%. That's next to 2013's insane 5,870% annual return. Another bearish signal is the money flow turning red on the daily chart. This never happened during the bull runs of 2017 or 2021, so I don't really know what to make of it. Short term on the 1 hour time frame, we need to reclaim 96,000 as soon as possible. We just saw a bullish divergence flash on the wave trend indicator, but money flow is still in the red. The ETF market saw no inflows or outflows today because the US stock market, including the New York Stock Exchange and NASDAQ, is closed for President's Day. Looking at the 2-week liquidation heat map, we're seeing a battle between long and short leverage stacked both above and below the current price. Long leverage is sitting between 94,000 and 92,000, while short leverage is stacked from 98.8 thousand to 102.2 thousand. Logically, we should go up because there's more liquidity above. It's still a bull year, and February has been weak so far. Let's see how this plays out. I'm still holding my long from 100,000. I'll keep you updated. Join the free Discord for live trading thoughts. Click on the like button if the video got you any value, and subscribe with the bell on so you don't miss the next update. And see you in the next one.